Hello everyone, I just want to share na from now on po, I'll be posting some clips, like short clips, video clips with my kids, may pamangkin, may cat, kung ano mang nangyayari sa buhay namin. And this is to share kung ano man yung mga happening sa buhay namin. I just want others to be inspired. Kasi I'm a single mom and currently nagbebenta po ako ng Shanghai, siomai, and then I'm making yung mga cold delicacies like mga ice cream, ganyan. Kasi ang hirap maging single mom. And I want to share with you all my experience by this time nag-aaral po ako together with my kids, pero yung sa akin nag-aaral ako online, and yung mga kids ko po they are in a public school, so in the morning I'm making them breakfast and iyan ko sila get them ready for their for their school. Ayan. And then habang naghihintay ako ng klase, ayan, naihatid ko na sila. Pagbalik ko, magklaklase ako. Pag malapit naman na yung pananghalian, habang nagklaklase ako, ito naman ako na habang nagkaklase ako, nagluluto ako, ganyan. Naguhugas dito. Kung yung paglilinis, every evening ko na lang po nalilinisan yung house. Not every day, kasi there's Saturday and Sunday. And also, pag may free time, ayun, nahaharap ko naman na naglilinis, ganyan. Pero, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon. And then, ayun, the struggle of, this content will be, the struggle of being a parent, a single parent na nag-aaral, nagpapaaral ng anak. And I just want to share every details to inspire others. Not para kumita, no. Kasi I have my own strategies how to kumita ng pera. Like, ayun nga, nagtitinda ako ng